Hey, hi, hello, it's me, Rosie V, Rosie Valentine, whatever you want to call me, back with another video. I'm gonna be doing kind of a getting packed or whatever kind of video, pack with me. I'm basically just packing up for EDC, putting my outfits, sorry, my dog decides he wants to play right now, getting my outfits ready and going to, of course, just be getting ready for EDC. Right now it is currently, give me that. So, it is the week of EDC, it is Tuesday, whatever date this is, I think it's the 13th, 14th, I don't know. It's the Tuesday before EDC, and I'm leaving on Thursday. I'm driving to Vegas from California, so it's gonna be a journey. Also, thank you for 400 subscribers. That's fucking crazy that people are actually watching my stuff and still subscribing to me. Thank you guys. I really appreciate every single one of you, and I appreciate any single view, even if you are not subscribed. But if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. So I pretty much already have my 3 outfits planned and somewhat packed away. I only bought one new outfit because EDC is already gonna be really fucking expensive. The tickets alone are really expensive. The shuttle passes were really expensive. Luckily, I can pay for the hotel once I get there, but that's going to be expensive. And then, of course, food and surviving the whole weekend is going to be crazy. So money's going to be tight. I only bought one new outfit because I only had 2 summertime outfits. Everything else I have is for like when it's cold. They're long sleeves, long pants or whatever. And it is going to be hot in Vegas. It's going to be like 90 degrees, which I love. I love warm weather. Basically what it's been around here, like how it is during the day. In my area currently, it's probably 71, 72 degrees, and it's gonna be that way at night at EDC, which is perfect. So I'm really excited for that. These are like my favorite. This is my favorite go-to outfit. Either one of these, whether it's together or separate. This time I'm wearing them together, but it may end up separate. So this is basically a mesh skirt and t-shirt. This is all fucking like tangled up. I don't know which way it's going. So there's pride butterflies all over it. They're very shiny. Of course, like you could see that it's see-through. So yeah, I'm gonna be wearing some like black boy shorts underneath. I am not a girly that can just wear a thong. Props to the girls that can wear bikinis or lingerie, like the skimpiest little things, and have a good ass time. I applaud y'all. Y'all are gorgeous and stunning in those. I, however, cannot do that. I have the body. I'm not saying that like my body's not good. I just dance and move around so much, I know my butthole will like be exposed. So I'm not trying to do that. I am a boy shorts girly. Y'all can see a little bit of cheekage, but you cannot get the whole view. That is for my man only. Boy shorts with these, and this is also the t-shirt part. At least like the mesh will still kind of cover me, but like obviously it's mesh, so any like wind can feel good. I will take this off and only wear like the skirt and a black crop top. So I'm gonna pack away the crop top and the boy shorts. But so far I got these. Both of these I bought on iHeartRaves. Majority of my rave attire is from iHeartRaves.com. Bless them. I love their rave clothing. It is really good. They always have sales going on, so you don't have to like always worry about paying high prices. There's constant sales over and over. If you see one that's about to end in like a day or so, just give it another day and they will have a sale. This is a rainbow overall thing that I got from Hot Topic. I bought it a couple years ago and I wore it to Audiotistic. So I'm gonna do that again because I gotta represent the pride, y'all. Just because I'm in a straight passing relationship does not mean I am straight, so I need to let y'all know that I am still proud of who I am. You usually see my pride flag hanging if you are a returning subscriber viewer. Obviously both those outfits are rainbow and pride, so yeah. With that, I'm probably gonna wear this like red because it is very red, like dominant. You could see the red and the oranges, the warmer colors more. So I'm probably gonna wear this red crop top that I have underneath it, and then shorts or something, I don't know. Another pair of boy shorts underneath. Socks, I'm really gonna regret this, but I'm probably just gonna do my ankle socks and I'm gonna get a really bad tan. I am an ankle socks girly. I don't know if that makes me a millennial or whatever, because I am a millennial, but I don't know if that like lets people know right away that hi, I'm a millennial, but I don't give a fuck. They look good and everything. They don't ride up and create a weird awkward like bump in your pants and shit like that, because I still wear skinny jeans, as you could probably see. I'm gonna get the worst ankle sock tan of the summer, or of EDC probably. Now this next outfit is another one that I bought on iHeartRaves. It's the newer outfit that I bought for EDC. It's this really cute matching set. As soon as I saw the model that they had originally wearing it and showing it, I fell in love with her and I purchased it. I was about to purchase a pink outfit that was worn by Mirage, but then like the green one just speaks to me more. I love green. Green's my favorite color. So I love like how it is. It's very sparkly and it makes a lot of noise. It's got these like bead things hanging off of it, which I don't know. I feel like it'll make me happy at some point. And I don't really have any accessories to go with that. I don't even know what socks I'm gonna wear because black ankle socks, I don't know. The only thing I have are like white knee highs. So maybe I'll do that. I'll figure that out. And I bought like some skimmies to go underneath it. These are gonna be the shorts that I wear. For at night when it does get a little bit cooler, a little chillier, I'm gonna bring in these joggers that I could just swap out for the bottoms of something. Most likely for that first outfit especially. This will go better with it. I don't know about the green one. I'm probably just gonna have to suffer through it if it is cold, but I mean I'm gonna bring my usual jacket. It's not gonna be too cold because I've gone to like Countdown in the dead center of winter and I went the last 2 years, especially last year when it was raining like crazy. That shit was freezing. I still had a good time. That's the kind of weather I'm used to and that's the weather that most of my stuff is for. And that's pretty much it outfit wise. Every other piece of clothing I'm gonna bring is like just for when I'm outside of the festival, going to the store right beforehand or whatever. Obviously it's gonna be like pajamas and other underwear and random clothes like this, most likely shorts and other things to wear out in Vegas when we're not at the event. Now the next thing is all the like itty bitty little things. So the first thing I'm bringing is my eargasms. They are earbuds, or not earbuds, but earplugs, there we go, that help not completely sound out the music, but it muffles it, kind of blocks it so you don't get like crazy shitty hearing issues later on. I already have tinnitus. I haven't had a doctor tell me, but I have a constant ringing all the time, and I've had people be like, oh, like, you know, somebody basically like described tinnitus to me without me asking about it, and I was like, yeah, I have that. This kind of helps prevent further damage on my ears. I'm gonna bring my sunglasses, gonna be dancing with Molly, so this is gonna make sure people don't see my eyes all tweaking out. Portable charger, I've got another one also that we're gonna be bringing, multiple chargers basically, because we're gonna be there all day long. I got the standard shuttle passes, so we're gonna be there from like, I can't remember. I need to double check. They stop running after 3. Like they fully stop at 3 o'clock. 2 o'clock, there's one last hour, 2 a.m. every night to get to the shuttle and get back to where you originally came from. I was too poor to get the big VIP or whatever, like experience, the best shuttle experience. I just got the standard, but whatever. They do security checks before you even get into the event. Before you even get on the bus, they check you, and then that way you just go straight in once you arrive, which I think is pretty cool. So that's going to be a thing to experience. And with it being hot, always gonna want to bring a fan. This is the best thing to bring to raves. I know I just kind of did it, but please don't be a fan clacker. I'm one of those people who do not appreciate constant loud clacking in my ear. I will do it once, but otherwise this keeps you nice and cool, provide shade if needed, try to get somebody's attention. Like if I lost my manis in the bathroom, I'm like, hey, look over here. It's a really nice thing to keep with you when you go to a rave, especially in the outdoors. Definitely bring this. My next little bag, this is pretty much my other rave thing. I have a big bin of rave clothing and other kind of like costumey dress up thingies. I have a whole thing of that. This one is like all my candy. I'm gonna make a little bit more probably tomorrow night before I go, so that's gonna be fun. I'm debating on bringing these because these are really cool, but they don't really match any of my outfits. They were really, of course, popular and sick for Countdown because it's like futuristic-y, alien-y. I bought these 2 years ago for Countdown and they still work. I haven't had to change the battery, so I want to keep using these if I can. Wet wipes, I always bring wet wipes. I also always stock up on napkins and I bring them in with me because porta potties run out of toilet paper very quickly there. Liquid IV. This is a lifesaver. Basically, you just mix it in with your water if you don't know, and it helps hydrate you a lot better. And that's pretty much it. The last and final thing I'm gonna really be bringing is my pride flag. I'm gonna basically just bring it with me to use kind of as like a little blanket thing if needed. Running around with it. Yeah, having a good time. Most of my outfits for the weekend already screaming, I'm queer! But I still want to do it. I want to get a really cute photo of me running with this. That's pretty much it. If you watch this, thank you. I appreciate it. And if you're gonna be at EDC, maybe I'll run into you. I know it's a really huge thing and like there's gonna be a lot of people, but who knows? Stranger things have happened. So if you're going to EDC, like this video, subscribe, let me know, comment that you're gonna be there this year, 2024 in Las Vegas. I'm gonna be documenting everything. Not everything. I'm basically gonna be doing like EDC vlogs for each day. So if you want to see that, please, please, please subscribe. I really appreciate the view, anyone past, present, or future. And thank you very much. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.